This video is brought to you by JI Move. Maximize your earnings with JI Move MC e-bike and enjoy $300 off at jimove.sg. JI Move MC has finally arrived, and in this video, we head over to JI Move's shop to get my JI Move MC. Before we continue, are you subscribed to our channel? Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. And let's go to JI Move shop. Alright, so we have reached JI Move shop, and before entering, of course, what do we have to do? You have to scan QR code to enter before you enter. Okay, JI Move Private Limited, check in. Okay, safe to enter.
My name is Derek. I'm the sales representative of G-Move. We are located at 547 Geylang Road. The nearest MRT, Aljunied MRT. It takes about 5 to 7 minute walks away. Our operating hours are Monday to Sunday, 11 AM to 9 PM. Our e-bikes, currently we are having 2 LTA approved e-bike, G-Move LC, retail at 1188, and G-Move MC at 1399. Among those two models, the MC is the latest model and also has the biggest battery capacity currently in the market at 20.8 Ah.
Okay Derek, so later on I'll be bringing the MC into the train. I'll just need you to share with me how to fold the MC.
Okay. First of all, the pedal, so it doesn't obstruct lah.
Okay, so it doesn't obstruct.
And the seat.
Okay, lower the seat.
The handle. And you need to bring up this lever.
Okay, understand. Okay. Ooh, easy. Wow, very compact.
So the handlebar.
Okay, this definitely fits the requirements.
Yes.
Alright guys, so this is something that I've easily noticed about the MC. The MC compared to the LC has a much quicker start, or rather a better motor output compared to the LC. And the second thing I do notice is the brake. Do note that I have not adjusted anything, I have not made any adjustments to the brake. Probably the reason why it may brake better, like lesser effort, it's probably due to more weight is now at the rear because of the battery. So yeah, like I mentioned, like lesser effort for braking is better for the MC. If more weight is at the rear, does that mean going uphill is going to be a challenge? Why don't we find out together in the upcoming reviews that I'm about to create for JI Move MC. Subscribe to stay notified, and lastly, give yourself a like on this video because you have stayed till the end. I can't wait to create the reviews for MC, and I'll see you in the next one. Other than GrabFood vlogging and delivery hacks, from time to time I do reviews as well. Why don't you share with me on something that you'd like me to review next, and you should watch the other vehicles that I've reviewed on the top right, or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!